Hi, here's your plotter then. So an amazing little bit of kit. It's got basically it's got grid lines on it that you can line up with any of the lines on the chart to make sure the edges are parallel. So if you were plotting a latitude and longitude, you could make sure they're on 45 on 45.0 and that you were absolutely parallel going across. And similarly on the longitude, on this one, if we were going to do say 538, sorry, let's do 538, there it is. And we're really precise at doing our latitude and longitude. Okay, next way you can use your plotter, you've got the bevel in the middle. Again, it's got grid lines on it, and you can see here this one says north, so let's turn that so you can see there that one says north. So if we wanted to draw a bearing or a line with an angle on it, it's really easy. So you put the bearing that you want, you put that onto your plotter. So I'm just going to pick, I want to draw a line of 120 degrees, so I put that onto my plotter there. I then lay my plotter on the chart, and now I'm lining up the grid line within the circular bevel. Okay, 120, I've lined it up with this bit that says course, so 120 is going to be that way. So there we have a perfect line of 120 degrees. Similarly, I've got a couple of markings on the chart already up here, so let's move the chart over. Let's see what this line is. So I can pop that line, I can pop the edge of my plotter on the line. I now turn this to north, and what I'm trying to do now is choose a line either going horizontally or vertically up and down the chart, and I can now read off here that line is 074 degrees. Sorry, here 074 degrees. So a great way of using it. Final way you can use it, maybe you've taken a bearing on this radio mast here. You took a bearing of, I don't know, let's say 300 true, okay, using a hand bearing compass. So that means you're, let's just move the chart a little bit, you're somewhere in this area and you took a bearing of 300. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up 300 on there, and I'm going to line that up on the radio mast, and oops, just moved that slightly, there we go, 300 towards my radio mast. That means I know I'm somewhere on that line. Maybe I checked my depth at that point and it said it was 60 meters, so 50 meters, sorry, there's 50 meter contour, which would mean I would be in that position. I'm on that line and I'm on 50 meter contour line. Possibly I took another bearing on the lighthouse on this island here. There it is, can you see that? And maybe that was, I don't know, to call it 40 degrees true. Just guessing my angles a little bit at the moment to try and make something work. There it is. If that was 40 degrees true, that would have meant actually I was somewhere around about there. So lots of ways of using your plotter. Okay.